Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how we can reduce section height in Elementor. By default, when you create a section and element within Elementor, the height of the section is equal to the height of the content. So this is known as the default height. Therefore, if you have a section that is 1000 lines long, this will be the height of the element. So how you can reduce it? So to reduce the height of a section in Elementor, you have to go to Elementor. You can either set a minimum height, adjust the height of the content within the section, or reduce the padding and margins of the section or its columns. So open Elementor, then go to the section you want to modify and navigate to the layout tab, and then select C star. Then from here, change the height settings from the default to minimum height. Then now use the slider to set your desired minimum height in pixels. You can also set different minimum heights for different screen sizes, for desktop, tablet, mobile, etc. And that's it. That's how you can reduce section height in Elementor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more Elementor tips.